How to manage default apps on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage default apps in easy fast way. So all what you have to do is easy and simple. Go to Dropbox. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on those three lines, and now go down, click on settings. As you can see, after you click on settings, now scroll down until you find manage default apps option right here. Click on it, and here is the default apps page. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.